Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove vertical border inside of a table in Microsoft Word. Open your Word file and click on this table and dragging your mouse select whole table area. Now here you will find this design option, select and simply select this border option and select here no border. Now select this border option and select vertical border and see this. Inside vertical border already removed and only remain horizontal border. In this way you can add new vertical border. Select your border. Also you can change color white and select here vertical border and see this. New vertical border already added. Again you can remove this vertical border, select this whole table and select here no border and select this border option, vertical border. Yeah, in this way you can remove all of this vertical border from your table. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.